Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to unbox this today and show you guys. So this is the Lamborghini Concept S. So I know the box says Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster, but the guy in the shop told this is how it came. But I'm pretty sure they actually kept it in display and then they repacked it. But anyways, I'm personally really excited and I'm really happy I got this one, and this is a gift from my wife for my birthday. So, and this one is really rare, especially to get this in India. It is really rare. So, and this one is by Motor Max, if you can see. And okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay. Here it is. Let's see, where are the screws here? Hang on a second guys, I'll get my screwdriver set. Okay guys, here is my screwdriver set. If you are wondering where I bought this I bought in Miniso, and it has like I think 24 pieces. This is really nice if you are looking to get something which is compact. Okay, it has 31 pieces. I'm really sorry. There is one more set which has 24 pieces, but that one is a bit different. Okay, what kind of screwdriver is this? Fine. Okay, just give me a second. I'll just unscrew this one. Okay guys, finally we unscrewed this, and okay. Let me just keep this aside. Okay, fine. Okay, I think we are done with all the wrappings. Let's have a closer look now. So this is the 1:24 scale, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so when I bought this one, after I reached my home, one thing I found out immediately was there is one small piece missing here, as you can see. So it looks like some kind of antenna there. So if you guys have anything, or if you have any idea how to just close this one, you can drop me in comments. That would be really helpful. Okay, here is the top view. These are fully actually fiber, and I think we can open this as well. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so this looks really absolutely amazing. The detailings are really great. So it's the bottom view. Okay, the tires are actually made of rubber and it's free rolling as well. Here is the front view. This white looks really beautiful. It's kind of like snow white, I can say. Here it is Concept S and Lamborghini. Okay, I don't know why here it is just blocked instead of having holes here. Okay, there's one thing I really don't like. They could have just gone with some grill here instead of just blacking it out. Okay, apart from that, rest of the details are actually fine. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so that would help me in putting out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.